Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back. I will add the vector link and project file link in my description below. You can check it from there. So firstly let's select this background and let's lock it, and also this road, let's lock it as well. Let's start with the linking the layers. So for that, let's select this 111, let's link it to 11 and select 11 and link it to 1. And now select this 111, let's go to solo and go to pan behind. Let's move the anchor point to here. Let's go on solo and select the layer 11, go to solo. Let's move the anchor point to here. Let's go on solo and see here. Okay, this is good. And select the layer 1 and let's link the anchor point to here. Let's check it. Okay, nice. So now let's select this layer 1 and let's link it to tow truck body. Now select this tow truck body and wheels. Let's move it to here somewhere. Okay, nice. And select this car. Let's move it to here or something like this. And select this car and let's move it to behind this tow truck. Now select this tow truck body. Let's go to solo and move the anchor point to here. Like this. Let's go on solo. And now we can start to give animation to it. So for that, let's select this layer 1 and let's press R, make rotation keyframe, and let's go to some keyframes to here and change rotation like this. And also select this layer 11, let's go to first second and make rotation both layer 11 and layer 111. Let's go to here and change layer 11 rotation like this and select this 111, let's change it like that. Select keyframes and make them easy. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's go to here and go to 10 keyframe with holding shift and page down and select this layer 11. Let's move it like this and select this 111. Let's change the rotation like this and go to 10 keyframe again. Let's change rotation like this and go one more time. Let's make it minus 2.5 and go one more time. Let's change it to 0. Let's see. Okay, select these keyframes and hold out. Let's move them to the right. Let's see now. Okay, select these keyframes again and move them to the right to make it more slowly. Also select these last 3 keyframes and hold out. Let's move them to the left. Let's see here. Okay, nice. Now let's make a static keyframe for layer 11 and also for the layer 1. And let's go to 4 second. Let's change rotation of layer 1 like this and also change rotation for layer 11. Let's make it like this and also for the layer 111. Okay, nice. Now let's go here and change rotation of layer 1 like this and also for the layer 11 and change rotation of layer 111 like this and go to 10 keyframe. Let's make it 12 and go one more time. Let's change it like this and go one more time. Let's make it like that and go one more time and let's change it like this. Okay, let's see it full. Okay, nice. Now let's go to here somewhere. Okay, this is good, and select the car layer and go to edit and click to split layer, or you can press Ctrl Shift D. And let's select this car too and let's move it to the top of here. Let's see. Okay, nice. Now let's make a static keyframe again and go to 7 second and change rotation of layer 11 and also the rotation of layer 111. Okay, now let's go to some keyframes to here and make static keyframe for all the rotation keyframes. Now let's go to here and change rotation like this and also this one. Okay, now let's select this car 2 layer and go to edit and let's click to split layer again. Nice. Now let's go to here somewhere and select this layer 1. Let's change the rotation like this. Also select the layer 11. Let's change rotation of it like this. and move this one to here as well. Also, let's go here and select this keyframe and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's see this part. Now select this car and let's go to pen behind. Let's zoom a little bit and move the anchor point to here now. And let's go to this keyframe and let's change some rotation like this. And also this one. Okay, nice. Now let's go here and select the cursor, press P and hold shift, press R, make both keyframes and go here. Let's move the car to here and change the rotation of it. Select keyframes and make them easies. Let's see. Okay, select this layer and let's move it like this. And select this keyframes and move it to here. Let's see now. Okay, also go to here and change duration of car to layer. Okay, actually let's delete this keyframes. And let's see now. Nice. Now let's go here and let's go to 10 keyframe and change rotation to -3 and go to 10 keyframe again. Let's change it to 2 and go one more time. Let's change it to 0. Let's see here. Okay, nice. Now let's right mouse here, go to composition settings and change the duration to 15 seconds. And let's zoom a little bit and select all the layers. And let's unlock these layers. Let's select them again with Ctrl A, but don't select the car and car 2 layers. And change the durations of them. Let's see again. Okay, nice. Now let's go to done and let's make a static keyframe for the rotations of tow truck. And let's go to somewhere to here. Select layer 1 and let's move it like this. Let's make it 0. And also select the layer 11. Let's make it 0 as well. And select layer 111. Let's make it 0. And let's go here and let's make a static keyframe for position. And go here. Okay, let's select all these 3 keyframes and move them to the right. And select these keyframes. Let's copy and paste for a static keyframe. And let's go here. Let's select the car and move it to down. Okay, we can move it a little bit to the right. Like this. And also, let's go to this keyframe and go 3 keyframe with page down. 1, 2, 3. And select the car 3. Let's move it to the up. And go to 3 keyframe again. And select this position keyframe, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, select this keyframes and right mouse, go to keyframe assistant and click to easy ease. Let's see again. Okay, select keyframes and right mouse, go to keyframe interpolation and change current settings to linear. Click OK again. Let's see now. Okay, select this keyframes and go to graph editor. Let's zoom the graph and select this part. Let's move it to the right. And let's see now. Okay, nice. Now let's go to here and select this cursor layer. Go to edit and let's split it again. And select the car 4. Let's move it to down to somewhere to here. Let's see the full animation. Okay, nice. But as you can see, there's a problem with the layer. So to fix that, let's select this car 2 and go to pen tool. Let's make one mask like this. And select the car 2, press M and click to invert. Let's see. Okay, there is a still missing part, so let's fix it. Let's see. Okay, there is a little bit more. Okay, nice. Now let's select this mask one and press Ctrl C, and let's go to here and press Ctrl V. And let's go to down, select this car 4. Let's go to here and press Ctrl V as well. Let's preview it again. Okay, lastly, let's go to here and select this car 3 and go to last keyframe and change rotation to -4 maybe. or maybe -5. Okay, and let's go to done, select this car 4, let's delete this keyframes, and let's go one keyframe with page down, and select this car 4, let's change rotation to -5 as well. Let's go to here and press in so we can preview it. Okay, nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.